Oh, it's making noise. It's the original, never been changed, and it's rusted to all hell. I just ordered a new one. Alright, so you gotta take the door panel off. There's like 5 screws holding it in place. But also you gotta take this thing off first. Just pull it off with your bare hands if you got a good grip. I already took that off. And the 5 screws. 1, 2. I already took these out. 3, 4, 5 is way over here. It's hard to get to. Right there. Alright, now you gotta take off the 12mm bolt. And after that, you got these 2 10mm. I could barely fit the phone in here. Damn. Alright, but yeah. I'll try to do it with one hand, maybe. I don't know yet. Let's see. Alright, now 10mm. Alright. They got thread locker on them, so yeah. Now I just reach in here. This is why you gotta take the thing off, the panel off. And pull it out. You got it. 12 years old. Let's go grab the new part. Alright, I got the new part. Here's the old one. I already opened it off camera. I just gotta open it up, but yeah, it's the same part. Alright, I got the new piece here. I'm gonna route it through now. I positioned it and everything off camera. First, I gotta bolt it on this side. Like what we took off earlier. I'm gonna have to do that off camera because I can't do this with one hand. But you get the gist of it, right? Alright, I managed to get them on, but not tightened down. They've been hand tightened. I'm just gonna tighten them down and then do this one and then put everything back together and it's done. Alright. Alright, let me test it. Alright, I put everything back together. Now let's test it. Now from the inside. No squeaking. Alright, I fixed it. It was all rusty and stuff. I also put a drop of WD-40 on there, like right there, and sprayed a little bit on the inside, inside the door panel. Not the panel, like inside the door itself, where it gets mounted. Yeah, it's safe on electronics and shit, but yeah. No more squeaking, no more rust. Alright.